Today my topic is about realization of logic gates using universal gates. First I'm going to run the code. First we have to take NOT using NAND. Then first I am connecting a NAND gate. This is NAND and NOT, where I am giving for this a NOT output as where we will be giving the input, only one input will be given, so that when I am giving this input as A, so that I will be getting output as A1. When I will change this to higher it will not change, whereas when I will giving lower it is changing. And second one, NAND using NAND. So first I am taking two NAND gates, then I am giving for both input as A and B. Then here it changes to A dot B complement. Then I will be getting input as A dot B. When I am giving both lower, LED is not glowing. Whereas when I will give one lower and higher, it is not glowing. When I am giving both higher, the LED light is glowing. Whereas when I will give one lower and higher, it is not glowing. Whereas or using NAND, that means where I am taking both NAND gates, where I am taking three NAND gates. First I am taking one input here and I am naming it as A, and I am taking one input here and I am naming it as B. Whereas when we will connect to this, we are getting A complement, B complement, and then we will be getting result as A plus B. When we are giving both zeros, we are not getting. When we are giving both lower key, it is not giving. But when we are giving one lower and when higher, the LED light is glowing. When we are giving both higher, also it is glowing. When we are giving one lower and one higher, is also it is glowing. Then not using NOR. We are taking not using OR. We are taking one NOR gate using with NOT. For NOT we will be taking only one key A and it gives us A complement. See, when we are taking lower key 0 and it is getting LED is glowing, but when we are taking higher key, the LED is not glowing. Then OR using NOR. First we are taking OR gate, then we are taking NOR gate. First I am taking two inputs as A, B, then I am getting here it as A plus B complement, then I am getting A plus B. See, when we are giving two inputs A and B lower, the LED light is not glowing, but when we are giving one lower and higher, it is glowing. When we are giving both higher, it is glowing. When we are giving one higher and one lower, also it is glowing. Next, NAND using NOR. We are taking both AND gates and we are connecting to a NOR gate. First I am taking for first NAND gate one input and for second NAND gate another input. First AND gate I am taking input as A. For next I am taking B and I am getting A complement and B complement and I am getting AB. So when I am giving both lower, we are not getting an LED, but whereas we are taking one higher and one lower, also we are not getting. When we are taking one lower and one higher, also we are not getting. But when as we are taking one both higher, we are getting. By this I completed my realization of gates successfully.